look up, see if there's any giant hangers. It's not bad. Too close to the field though, so we're gonna work our way back up a little bit. And I can see that right now the spine right through here goes all the way back up from where we were before. So checking it out, that spine comes down right here into this base of the valley. So as far as the bug out location for what I want to do today, it's going to probably be at the top of that crest, because now I can see I got nothing but valley all in front of me, nothing but a field up top. As far as escaping and evading, you can get up to that field, get on that road, and there's 4 different ways you can go from there. And at the end of the day, my base is back there anyway. So I'll probably bug out up the top of this hill right here. Good area. So we're gonna crest it and find a spot. I think as far as reconning beforehand, that's what we're gonna do. I don't know if the camera picked that up, if I pressed record in time. But I definitely heard somebody. Okay, well, cool start to the vid. I'm going to find our little quick base camp. Almost, I guess you could say it almost as an ambush camp. But more recon. All scouting. So we're gonna crest this ridge up through here and try to set up something where we'll probably face the sun a little bit, I think. But we'll see how we can use the land to make it look a little bit better. But alright. What I expected. Huh. Alright, so I just got here, right? From there to there. No way. Holy shit. Alright, so I'm looking at these track bounds. Okay. They're big. Like a cat. Okay? And you wouldn't believe this is the base of the last, I'm assuming, paw. And over there is the other mark. So that's 12 feet from these 4 sets of prints to these 4 sets of prints. Now, is that a deer bounding really, really hard? Maybe. But something's running right through this pass. Right through there. Maybe I was just talking about the cougar. It's funny how that's funny. Well, we'll see. I'm not 100% positive. But there's also... when I walked up, I honestly thought they were like human footprints. But I'm like, nobody could be walking over here. They were that big though. So let's see if I can get a better look at these. I'm going to follow these up. That looks like a paw, not rough. Looks like a paw, not a hoof. You guys get a good look at it. It can clear up, but as you can see, it's the other side of the valley down here where this spine is. And the spine runs all the way back up to the top over there. And it does that like 3 more times till you get to the river. And the river face is actually a pretty straight down front. I don't know. You guys want to go to the river? I don't need any water. It's probably low. No. Let's set up camp, because by the time I finish that, I couldn't even find a camp spot yet, so time for playing around. But at the same time, man, there's fucking tracks everywhere. Seems like a highway. Just everything. And they gotta be fresh, cause it snowed, you know? It snowed, it stopped this morning. So all of this is fresh. You can see the, that's why. You can see their ass prints in the ground, right? So this is where he was sleeping. You can see the fanny print and even the legs right here, right? And then there's her buddy. So, like I said, you could walk right up on these guys. I don't know if it feels warm, but I sure shouldn't take my gloves off. But, deer beds. Lots of them. It's funny, you can even see their legs. Decent size. They found a good spot. You know what? As I think about this, right? You know, where's your perfect location? It's at the base of the spine, right? So you can run up the spine and get away, or you can go on either side of the valley and avoid a threat. Because if you get attacked over here, you go over the edge of the valley, you're safe. If you get attacked from the top, you can go either other sides or go down. If you get attacked from this side, you can go back home or you can go all the way out. So as far as the location, you know, thinking about not only did they already clear the snow for me, I was a little pissed, but I can shovel snow off. But it's got beautiful coverage, no hangers, right? And I am pretty impressed with their strategic location of, as far as safety goes. You know, we always think stealth, escape and evade, and I don't think I'm going to walk any further. I really don't, because there's even a log. Look at this. There's even a log for me to sit on. And as fate would allow, nothing burns like oak, right? Check this out, guys. Holy shit. I can't believe this. Hey, look at this guy. That stuff burns so hot and it is black dry. So that won't even be hard to break these branches of that. Which is so cool. So I'm in a good location. I think we're gonna start to set up. So I'm gonna bang out hammock and